Does it look like a portable speaker to you? Yes, it is, and it does more than a portable speakers. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway Episode 11. Today, I will be checking out a very versatile Bluetooth speakers from Edifier, the Edifier MP380. Let's check out what's included in this box. The Edifier MP380 speakers, user guide, warranty card, micro USB cables, and a 3.5mm auxiliary cables. Coming to design, it looks like a silver bar. Under the grille are two 44mm full frequency units and a 33cm passive radiator. It can output up to 20 watt RMS. It is one solid Bluetooth speaker which weighs almost 700 grams. On the right side, there's a total of 5 buttons: power on/off buttons, volume up, play pause buttons, volume down, and Bluetooth setting buttons. The power button also works to switch source from Bluetooth, micro SD card, USB disk input, auxiliary input, and USB audio input. While on the left, there's a USB-A for USB disk input, auxiliary input and output, 3 standard USB-A 2.0 that work as a USB hub when you connect to your PC or laptop via micro USB for easy USB access. There are 2 rubberized stands at the bottom to add grip for the portable speaker to stay put while reducing some vibrations generated from the speakers. Sound quality wise, it's certainly impressive for this size speaker. It can produce a 2.1 channel audio with high bass while preserving the mids and highs. There are 2 modes, music mode and movie mode. I did find the music mode is more ideal for a small room that doesn't have good soundproof. As for the movie modes, it does add sound, it produces a wider and louder output but a lower trebles. This tiny speaker can fill up my small working place easily at just 50% of the volumes, and the audio is clear without any distortion. Here are the sound quality slides. Coming back to the versatility that I mentioned earlier, I'm using this as my PC speaker with a built-in USB hub. Sometimes I will bring it down to my living rooms to enjoy some light music while having quality time with my family. I can check the battery level by double press the power buttons, and in my test, the 5200mAh large capacity battery lasts more than 7 hours playback before the low battery warning. If I connect it directly with my PC, I don't even need to worry about battery life. Here come the things that I like and dislike about the Edifier MP380. The sound quality is solid just like the build quality of these speakers, and it only costs RM299. It also functions as a sound card and also USB hub. My only complaint is that the speaker uses a little bit outdated charging port, the micro USB, and the provided micro USB cables is not a data transfer cables, thus it does not recognize on my PC. If you have any questions about these speakers, please leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer all your questions. If you like this sort of short and sweet tech reviews, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to YouTube channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. That being said, I hope to see you guys at the